Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are going to discuss a bit about the plugin we have done for WooCommerce to send WhatsApp order notifications using WhatsApp official API and why we have done it, why it makes sense or not for you, other alternatives, and it's just to comment why we have done it, why we think it makes sense. Okay, so first is why we have done it. Okay, order notifications are important, and WhatsApp can be useful in some cases. I mean, it's not like we think WhatsApp should take over all your notifications. Is in some cases, and depends of your shop and how the customers behave. WhatsApp can be useful for sending a more actionable, let's say, message. Email is not actionable. I mean, it's less actionable. It's more like you're going to read it and archive, keep it, whatever. WhatsApp can become more useful in terms of, hey, I received this shopping cart message, or I get this coupon, or I get this something. So in that moment I want to take action, no, and do it, no. So WhatsApp can be really a good trigger for some cases. So that's the reason we have done it. I mean, we think you have your WooCommerce, the customer makes an action, you have an status, and you want to send a message to that customer. So that's it. Super simple. There is a video in the comments where we explain everything. We have a post in the website with all the details about this plugin, the templates we have done, languages we support, all that is in the description. But today is more about if makes sense for you, if you think it's a good idea for you to use it. So it's more about if if you should use it. Email is good. It's automated, templates. We don't think is that actionable. But for non-actionable messages, like the invoice, I don't know, some more administrationable templates, like, hey, this is the invoice, this is the receipt, all is good. When things are good, you don't need WhatsApp, probably. If the order is being processed, if the shipment is delivered, if the customer is happy, then email is good. Maybe if you want to have a Google review, maybe makes sense to use WhatsApp, because in those cases you want to you want the customer to take action as soon as possible. So WhatsApp can be useful. So email is good and it's free, so that's something to consider. WhatsApp official WhatsApp API solution, the one we provide, we know is paid and premium and is expensive, and the process to get the WhatsApp API can be a nightmare. We understand all that, so we know it's a struggle, but makes sense. And with the plugin we have done, you don't need to apply for WhatsApp API. We use our WhatsApp API, so you don't need to do it, and your messages are going to be delivered using our WhatsApp API. Obviously, we use our phone number, so that's something you may not like. So that's something for you to consider. I mean, we want to help as much as possible, so we have done it like that, so you can forget about WhatsApp API. We deal with that. You only need to focus on which messages you want to send. That's it, and it's going to work. Easy, fantastic. That's it. What we are saying is good for actionable messages. If you want the customer to take action as soon as possible, WhatsApp, I think, is a better channel. And then there are non-official solutions. They use your, let's say, your WhatsApp web number. They are going to send messages using your QR code, but it's non-official. You can lose everything. this application probably, WhatsApp will close them. I mean, it's not like a long-term, solution. I mean, it's not about how many messages you are sending. It's non-official, so this is, it's going to go away anytime. And also the templates are more basic because it's only text, no buttons, and also you need to pay. So, it's not like it's free. You need to pay. So for this price, well, for less than this price, you can get our solution. That's option number one. And honestly, for a bit more or pretty much the same, you can get your own WhatsApp API. So WhatsApp API is not, I mean, you need to pay, but it's not crazy expensive. I mean, there is a solution called, I don't know if I have the name here. No, I don't have the name here. Well, the most popular solution I think is woowa or something like that. Let me search for that. Yeah, woowa.com is this is non-official solution, so you can go ahead and try it. I mean, of course, I mean, this is something, but this is I mean, it's if we put this in euros, well, in dollars, I mean, for 14 a month, you can have your own WhatsApp API. So, I mean, it's not like this is free. I mean, it's cheap, but it's not that cheap. I mean, 14 a month, you can have already WhatsApp API and you can start sending messages using your own WhatsApp API number. So, this is just for you to consider. I know the process to get WhatsApp API is a nightmare, but if you can do it, I think it's a much better option. Okay. So anyway, this is like a recap. Email, good, non-actionable messages. WhatsApp, okay. WhatsApp official API, non-official API, both solutions. Very good for actionable messages. One is, premium, let's say, but you have a better solution. It's more robust. Doesn't, I mean, when you use the QR code, you cannot use WhatsApp web. So it's like incompatible, and QR code, the connection with the QR code WhatsApp can be disconnected. So your messages are not going to be sent. So it's like a, it's kind of, solution, it's not 100% robust, official, high quality. It's not that. I mean, it's something else. So, this is up to you, okay? But we have work. I mean, we work with, WhatsApp API, official, all good. Okay, this is more information about that. And those are the templates we have prepared for WooCommerce, okay? Those are all the I mean, we are working on more templates, we are working on more variables, we are working on more solutions. I mean, we are working on more things to make everything easier for you. I mean, you need to think like we have done something that, you put it and works, that's it. You don't need to configure anything, you don't need to hook this with that. It's a plugin that just works. So, we think it's good, it's a good solution, and also you can, try it. And if you think makes sense, if you think you like it, if you think, WhatsApp adds value to your WooCommerce experience, then you can go and you can apply for your WhatsApp API and you can start using your WhatsApp API number. That's it. The plugin is different because, this is, like self-host, but we have another plugin for your own WhatsApp API number. So, this is more like a test environment, or for small businesses who don't want to go to WhatsApp API. This is we think it's a fantastic solution. Everything is there, everything works, it's going to be done, running in a few minutes. Then if you think, hey, I want my own WhatsApp API, okay, go ahead, do it, apply for it. And the plugin, we have another plugin for that. I will put that in the comments. You can work with it, okay? So hope you like it, hope makes sense, and hope everything works well, okay? Thank you, bye-bye.